In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to walk through the exact process to find the IKEA Roblox coworker job listing and submit your application step by step in a clear and simple way. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type IKEA Roblox job and press enter. This search will surface the official listing quickly. On the results page, look for the official IKEA website. Make sure the link clearly belongs to IKEA and not a third-party site. You can check the web address and the snippet to confirm it's legitimate. Avoid links that look suspicious or use unusual spellings. Click the IKEA website result. You should be taken to a page that highlights the IKEA coworker opportunity related to Roblox. The wording on the page may vary by region, but it should clearly reference the role you're interested in. Take a moment to skim the page so you understand the basics. What the role is, any location notes, the timeline, and the general requirements so you know you're in the right place. Once you're ready, find and click the button that says Apply for this job. This will open the application form. Give the page a second to load fully so nothing is missed. Now fill out the information needed here. Complete all required fields carefully and accurately. Typical forms ask for your personal details, availability, and answers to a few short questions about your experience and motivation. Write clearly, be honest, and keep your answers concise. If there's a character limit, stay within it. If the form allows you to paste from a document, consider drafting longer answers separately first so you don't lose your work. Look out for any optional fields that could strengthen your application, and make sure everything is correct. Spelling, dates, and contact details before moving on. Next, check the agreement. This usually includes terms and privacy information. Read it, ensure you understand how your data will be used, and then tick the box to confirm your consent. If there are multiple acknowledgements, make sure all required boxes are selected. Finally, click Submit Application. Wait for the confirmation to appear. It could be an on-screen message or a confirmation email. If you see a confirmation number, save it. If an email arrives, keep it somewhere easy to find. That's it. You've searched for the IKEA Roblox job, opened the official listing, applied, completed the form, agreed to the terms, and submitted your application. Good luck, and remember to monitor